Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to use the p tag and the br tag properly. First, we are going to learn how text works in HTML. So, first let's put some text here, save. We will use the live server. We can find a tutorial below, and there we go. I will put side to side the pages. Now we can see that we save and there appears some text. But if you enter and put another text, we'll see that our code has an enter, a break, but we don't have a break in our page. So to make it work, we would need to put a br tag here. We don't need to close, the br tag only opens. So we save it and it will be the enter. We can use multiple br tags, so it will have a greater space, and we also can, instead of br, we can use the p tags. How do we use it? We open the tag and we close the tag. In Visual Studio Code it happens automatically, but now we can put some text, save it, and now we can put anything without a tag and it will go down automatically. Or we can use again another tag and another text and it will go from here. So thank you guys and see you soon.